What is the expression shown by the number line below? Alright, so let's think this aloud. The expression shown by the number line below is going to be -5 plus -3 plus 7 plus -2. Let me show you how. We start at 0 and move from 0 to -5. From -5, we move over 1, 2, 3 to the left, and we land on -8. From -8, we move over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to the right, and we land on -1. And from -1, we move over 1, 2 to the left, and land on -3. So, again, the expression is -5 plus -3 plus 7 plus -2.